Hello everyone, welcome to channel Adarshaalya, a free online learning and teaching platform by Dr. Anjali Srivastava, retired zoology professor, Jamshedpur Women University. On this platform, we discuss everything from zoology and environmental science, including research areas, career guidance, as well as preparations for all competitive examinations like CSIR NET, NEET, etc. Today we are going to discuss ornithology and overview from research point of view on request of some viewers. So, ornithology is the scientific study of birds. Birds are biped vertebrates, also known as living dinosaurs. Dinosaurs, many of which perished due to some meteor attack, but it is said many rest of them evolved into birds. Though controversy persists, as many paleontologists have the view that birds have evolved alongside dinosaurs instead of being directly descendants of them, the common ancestors being theropods, or especially the Menorocterians. Birds are a group of endothermic vertebrates, warm-blooded species characterized by feathers, beaked, toothless jaws, four-chambered heart, and well-designed body structure with wings to fly. Their closest living relatives being crocodiles, alligators, and dinosaurs. According to research or records found, there are two many categories of birds, two main categories of birds, sorry. First is Archaeornithis, mostly extinct, had a toothed beak and long lizard-like tail. The example is Archaeopteryx, a transitional fossil record of or bird ancestor having common features of reptiles as well as birds and profoundly accepted as the common ancestor, the bird ancestor from reptiles. The second group is Neornithis that includes both extant, that is living, and extinct birds having no teeth, short tail, feathered, wings developed. The examples are many more like flightless birds, penguins, ostriches, herons, and flying birds, kingfisher, duck, sparrows, eagles, vultures, and so on and so forth. Ornithology is a multidisciplinary branch that helps in increasing our knowledge of birds and also discussing their relationship with other disciplines like ecology, physiology, recently molecular biology, environmental science, phylogeny, taxonomy, physiology, morphology, anatomy, and many more disciplines. Ornithology explains unique characters of birds like migration or navigation, mating behavior, vocal call or a song, etc. The vocal call or a song of bird is used for several purposes like warning predators, attracting mates, establishing territories, coordinating flock movements, identifying their own offsprings, sexual and species identification, some practices for perfection of song. Some birds also sing song to mimic or imitate. Three main types of birds behavior include kinship, altruism, and brood parasitism. Significance of ornithological studies are thus vast. Science of ornithology, has a long history and has helped in development of several key concepts in evolution, speciation, behavior, ecology, diversity, biodiversity and conservation, instinct, phylogeny, taxonomy, biogeography, etc., etc. Mythological myths like crows taking food to ancestors, birds singing indicating weather and environmental conditions, then certain specific saras or cranes indicating the faithfulness of their maters, then chatak indicating monsoon, 6 o'clock birds indicating the arrival of dawn, and many such myths are of great interest for researchers. Other areas of interest in ornithology includes nest building architecture, aerodynamics engineering that shows the nature's great engineers are birds. Aerodynamics engineering, the best example is The aerodynamics of birds, Japan has used to redesign the bullet train, then kingfisher's long beak, Japan is using to minimize the noise and maximizing the speed, etc. Pest control like rodents, killer eagles, insect eating birds, seed dispersal by hornbills, social behavior indicators like the brood parasitism of cuckoos. These are of special interest for researchers as well as for common persons also. Environmental pollution indicators, birds are excellent. Understanding global heating, habitat changing, and foraging used in ants, poets, arts. Sorry, you also the vast line of in arts, poets, poems, painting, and literature is also known. Beautiful aerodynamic behavior and varieties of nest designing make them brilliant engineers trained by instinct. Ornithology as a multidisciplinary science includes air diversity, avian diversity, taxonomy, morphology, anatomy, coloration, speciation, foraging, community ecology, diseases, biogeography, agriculture, population dynamics, and many more. Roosting, damages and damages and management, conservation, etc. The birds on the basis of food are granivores, frugivores, insectivores, carnivores, nectivores, omnivores. Last but not the least, ornithologist degree requires masters and PhD and deep interest in birds. Responsibilities and role of ornithologists include research orientation, proposal making, gaining funds, data analysis, geneticist, application of molecular techniques, citizen science, etc. To know all these in details and to listen in Hindi, join Adarsh. Do like, share, and subscribe this channel Adarsh. Press bell icon for notifications of upcoming videos. Thank you.